Well, car crashes are one of the leading causes of death and injury in this country. And in Florida, with as many tourists as we have, you have people driving rental cars or they've driven down from other places and they're not familiar with the roads. It's one of the reasons why 35,000 people a year are killed in road crashes in the United States alone. The most common cause of a crash is distracted driving, or what we call DWD, driving while distracted. If you're driving while intoxicated, if you've been drinking and you drive, you should go to jail. You lose your license. The studies that have been done make it very clear that a distracted driver is more dangerous than a drunk driver. And when tragedy strikes, somebody's seriously injured or killed, they shrug their shoulders and say, I was just getting a text. Florida was one of the last states to actually make it illegal to text and drive, but it's still a secondary offense.
So I was in a bad car accident 5-6 years ago. An off-duty officer traveling 60 miles per hour in a 40-mile-per-hour zone hit me on the driver's side, and I just woke up in the middle of the streets. I always suffered a fractured pelvis in 3 places, ruptured disc on my spine, broken clavicle, and internal bleeding in my lungs. My girlfriend at the time suffered brain trauma. We needed to have a lawyer on our side.
When we were contacted, we immediately put our crash team together, which includes our investigator, our traffic reconstruction engineer, and all of the people working on the medical side to help this man get the best medical care possible. The sooner we're brought in and we get our team involved, the better chance of us preserving the evidence. And the case was able to be resolved because we had a case that showed what happened from beginning to end. One of the most serious dangers to people on the road are 18-wheel trucks. Because they're so large and they take up more of the road, they are a real danger to cars. So when truckers make mistakes, that's when crashes occur.
At Leighton Law, we are committed to help people who have been seriously injured or have lost loved ones due to the negligence of others. We represent clients from around the world, many of whom have been injured while visiting Florida. Leighton Law, serious lawyers for serious cases.